There's a psychological reason some people feel better at home than anywhere else. It's not laziness. It's how the nervous system regulates energy. Some people recharge through activity and conversation. Others recharge through quiet. For example, you go out with friends, you laugh, you enjoy it, but when you come back home, you feel mentally exhausted. Not bored, not upset, just drained. That doesn't mean you hate socializing. It means stimulation costs your brain more energy. So home isn't where you hide, it's where your system finally rests. Psychology calls this low stimulation preference, the brain working best with less input. There's another reason staying home feels safe. Outside, everything is unpredictable. Noise, expectations, small talk, constant adjustment. At home, nothing demands performance. You control the pace, the silence, the environment. For sensitive or introspective minds, that control isn't comfort, it's a regulation. This is why people who enjoy being alone often think deeply. Their best ideas don't come from crowds. They come from quiet moments when the mind finally has space. Staying home isn't doing nothing. It's where depth develops, but there's an important difference. Some people stay home because it restores them. Others stay home because leaving feels heavy. One is peace, the other is protection. Self-awareness is knowing which one you're living in. Not everyone needs more noise to feel alive. Some people need less of it. When quiet restores you, it's not avoidance, it's regulation.